Alright, today we will learn how to install VS Code in Windows. Open any browser of your choice, search download VS Code. We will go to the official website. Then we have multiple distributions here for Windows, for Linux, for Mac. Let's click Windows and the download started. Let's save it. Once downloaded, we can open it and then double click it. In your case, this might not come, but if it is coming, click OK. Then I accept the agreement. Next. And this is the location I am going to install. Next. This is the name. Yes. Create. Yes. Next. The most important part is add to part. It is checked. Next. And install. And it started the installation process. And once you are done, I'm not going to launch it manually. Let's finish it. Then I'll click Start menu. And on the top, I have VS Code. I will click it and it will open. If you're not finding it there, search it. You will get VS Code and click open. And it opens, right? We have VS Code installed in Windows machine. Enjoyed the tutorial? Smash that like button, subscribe for more AI coding hacks, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.